There are many key takeaways. The fact that you've got very large participation, the fact that you've got large number of CEOs who came, the fact that companies are showing interest. You look at the kind of deals which have been signed. I mean, the shipping sector, you're looking at the gas sector. You are new people who are not part of our energy scene coming and offering their supplies, wanting to collaborate with Indian companies. Taken all that together, I think it's been a very reassuring fourth edition of the India Energy Week. The fact that it is now in its new home, and this world-class facility was built in less than a year and a half, and you have a situation in which year after year, you will find that this platform, which is hardly a few years old, it's already the world's second largest platform, but it's also in some ways the largest because the other platforms are single issue concentrated. For instance, ADIPEC deals with crude oil and gas. Gastech deals with only gas. And the other ones are, one issue or two issues. Here you are dealing with green hydrogen, small modular reactors, technology. Yesterday we concluded a 2-day session on compressed biogas. So all in all, it's been a phenomenal few days from 27th to today. And I think it's not just the event on a standalone basis. It is also, I must say, the kind of processes this event unleashes. I have so many people coming and talking to me about AI, about blue energy. So it's a very, very satisfying process, and I want to thank all of you because your coverage of the event also gives it much greater dissemination. And this is the process which will continue. It's not that we are only meeting here now. I mean, this conversation will be held in Delhi and as we go along. So thank you very much. Thank you.